Learning objective D is another compound inequality, but this time it's an OR inequality. And an OR inequality basically is just doing two problems at one time. So we have to solve this inequality, which is what the normal ones look like, or we have to look at this one. So just do each problem separately, and then I'll show you what the graphs look like. So 4x minus 7 is less than or equal to 5. First thing is we add 7. 4x is less than or equal to 12. Divide by 4. X is less than or equal to 3. This other one, and to get x by itself, I'm going to minus the 2. 21. And then x by itself, divide by 3. So we get x is greater than or equal to 7. Now let's just plot the points for graphing first. For the 3, it's less than or equal to. So at 3, I'm going to actually do a solid circle. At 7, which isn't on the graph paper, so let's continue on. 4, 5, 6, let's put 7 there. Let's also maybe put 8, just in case we need it. At 7, I'm going to go ahead and put a solid circle. Okay. Now, for connecting the dots, do we connect them like we did before, so we go from one dot to the other, so they make one line segment, or do they go in opposing directions? For example, one would go this direction and the other would go this direction. Well, if you look at the inequality, it'll tell you. Look at this blue one here. I need all the x's that are less than or equal to 3. So the x's less than 3 would be 2, 1, and 0. The red one here says I need all the x's greater than or equal to 7. So the numbers greater than 7 would be 8, 9, and 10. So the difference is this. When you have an OR compound inequality, you're going to have to solve the two equations, and the arrows are going to go in opposing directions every single time. They will never connect like the AND inequality one did. Let's look at another one here. If we solve this first one, we're going to add 6. Leaves us with 2x is less than or equal to 4, and then divide by 2. So that is x is less than or equal to 2. This second one here, to get x by itself, let's minus 1 first. So it would be 5x is greater than 25, and then divide by 5. So x is greater than 5. So to graph that, again, it looks like I'm going to extend my number line a little bit. So we'll go 5, 6, and 7. So at the number 2 here, I do a closed circle. At the number 5, looks like an open circle. And just read it. Here it says I need the x's less than or equal to 2. So that's 1, 0 in all of these. And for this one, I need the x's greater than 5, which goes this way. So again, those are the possible answers for this compound inequality.